Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. I have another special unboxing video to do from Amazon. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We shall see what's inside. And here we go. And also you can click my affiliate link down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. And do the rest. Here we go. Thank you guys for sending me this. Coming from, whoa, DDT. Where's Jake Roberts at? The Snake Man. DDT. What is this? Bone Conduction Sport Headphones. Ooh. Lightweight. Oh man, that weird ergonomic. Whatever that is. But music and call, waterproof, open ear design, nice little case, charger. So use it on all devices, tablets, laptops, MacBooks, iPhones, anything with a Bluetooth thingy. DDT. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. After sales. We got the manual. Should be easy. We don't need to look into it. It says pull me. Alright. Oh. See? Pull me. Boom. USB. It's always a good thing. I have so many different ones now. Let me seal this back up. So if you're looking for a new headset or headphones, I'm going to try these out. DDT. Got the logo everywhere. Alright, here we go. Nicely put together. Super lightweight on a case. Easy to travel, put in your pocket, or to store in your gym locker. Always good to have extra headphones around. USB right there. Focus. Here we go. Ooh, these are snazzy. Fancy, fancy. Oh, jeez. Ow. Injury. Timeout. Alright, here we go. Sorry about that. A little slippery. Nicely smooth surface. Alright. Let's connect these. I'll grab my tablet. Other phone is charging right now. Here's the bottom of it. See, that's where the two connectors, so you could charge it once you charge it. These are interesting design. Really nice. Look at that. Here's the bottom. See where the connectors are? That's where you're going to charge it. Hook it up. Why are you doing this now? There we go. Right there. This one's the R button. And remove this. Here we go. Got the logo right there. Same with this one. Remove all the stickers. Here we go. Really nice, shiny. Same with that one. There's we're gonna want to charge it. Okay, now how do I turn these on? There's a little thingy right here. You guys can see it. There's a little button. Yeah, right there. Okay, let me grab my tablet. Be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. This is coming from my good friends over at DDT. Uh-oh. Where is Jake the Snake Roberts? Here we go. We have Bone Conduction Sport Headphones. Open ear design. Titanium ergonomic fit I think I butchered that one. Lightweight, waterproof, music and call. Comes with a nice little case. I already opened it. And that's why it's already out. Comes with a USB cable. Right here. You can use your iPhone, tablets, MacBooks, whatever you use, you know. And we got manuals and stuff. Right here. Manual. And now, super lightweight on a case. DDT, nice logo. Looks like the Phantom of the Opera. It's charging the headphones right now. And USB goes in here. Should have some juice to at least try them out. You can see the red light is on, charging. Nice design. It's always good to have an extra pair around for your gym locker or whatever. Great stocking stuffers. And just take them out, pull up your tablet or your phone. Should be called B8 right there. It should take a second to pair. There we go. And we are connected. Boom. Active. Now, time to go on the tube. But these are super lightweight, open air design. As you can see right here. Really nice gloss. Those are the connectors. There's a button right there. Not exactly sure what the button's for. We'll figure it out. Oh, it's play and pause. Okay. Now let me see which way it goes. Left ear, right ear. Give me 1 second, guys. Whoa. Okay. I'm going to flip in a second. Let me turn this up. I don't remember how. Oh, there we go. I'm going to flip. If you can see. Here we go. You can see a little bit better. Really nice. I don't know if you can hear it. But yeah, these sound great. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. If you're looking for a new pair or or a backup pair or a gift for somebody. Father's Day, Mother's Day is coming up. So definitely check DDT. B8 Bone Conduction Bluetooth headphones. Right? YouTube, have a good night.